The lucky winner this week on Feeding Frenzy is Mr. Javed Merchant, a businessman from Arumbakam. I've brought him to dinner at Kayal at the Le Méridien, where a seafood festival is on till the 5th of August. Once the lights were on and the camera started to roll, control freak me got into action immediately, telling Mr. Javed where to look, how to keep his audio level up, his chin down. Oh, I became insufferable. Until Mr. Javed very gently said,
"But I've been on TV before."
Really? How presumptuous of me to think that this is your first time. I'm sorry. What show were you on?
I participated in Mastermind India about 10 years back.
And what were your topics?
My topics were the life and works of Frank Lloyd Wright, the American architect, and the life and times of Ranjit Singh, the Maharaj of Punjab.
Well, that's marvelous because I've been to the Guggenheim Museum in New York.
Oh, have you been to Guggenheim Museum?
Yes, yes.
It's a beautiful building.
It is. Have you been there? Have you seen any
I've
of
only
this?
seen it in pictures.
Not seen any of the
I haven't
buildings
seen any
that
of the
you-
buildings by Wright.
Oh, so I think I'm one up over you there.
Surely.
You are. But that's really fascinating that we should start off on this really nice note. You
Yes,
know?
yeah.
Yeah, that's lovely.
oh, how embarrassing for me. I was kicking my own self under the table for assuming that this was Mr. Javed's first time on television. Oh no, how could you? But I think the gracious Mr. Javed guessed how I felt. So, in his unassuming manner, he drew me deeper into the subject of Frank Lloyd Wright. And soon, I put my forepaw behind me and listened enthralled as he told me that he studied the life, times, and work of the great American architect when he started to construct his own home. Wow, some research that, I'd say. From that to participating in the BBC's Mastermind on the same topic. You know, I couldn't have asked for a more interesting dinner companion. But hey, now it's time to order.
We can have this mukpa chun, grilled banana leaf wrapped salmon, which is continental.
I think the first one is Thai, no?
Yeah.
Is it the first?
Actually, it's ordered like a main course one.
No, is it a Thai
Thai,
preparation?
yeah,
Yeah, it's a Thai. Okay, so that's a good
And
choice.
the curry mean polichatu,
Yeah.
which
It's,
is
like
from
a-
Kerala,
Yeah.
which is Indian,
Okay.
and shrimp scallop lobster grilled in banana leaf.
Yeah.
I think that sort of gives us a variety of seafood.
While we waited for the ocean to arrive on plates, Mr. Javed asked me what was unique about the seafood festival when Kayal is anyway a seafood restaurant. Well, the festival is all about seafood cooked in banana leaves. As if on cue, a warm plate of grilled shrimp, scallops, and lobster cradled in banana leaves was placed before my guest, and a curry mean polichattu swaddled in banana leaves before me. The shrimp, scallops, and lobster is Chef Swapan's creation, and it's only fair that our guest has Kayal's signature dish. Gosh, it looks succulent and yummy. Apparently, the meat is marinated in a variety of Indian spices and then cooked. Want to take a look? Nice. But let's unwrap my curry mean. This juicy pearl spot fish is grilled with similar spices: cumin, coriander, ginger, garlic, and a wee bit of garam masala, and then wrapped in a banana leaf and cooked in coconut milk. We also have portions of steamed vegetables and saffron rice to go with the soft, white, and impossibly fresh seafood.
Sir, are you enjoying your dish?
Yes, it's very nice.
Do you eat out a lot with your family?
No, I don't eat so much outside because my wife makes very good food. But this is okay. This is excellent, in fact.
So what is What is your wife's speciality?
My wife makes very good biryani. She makes very good paya. She makes very good khichda. She makes quite a lot of nice dishes.
And what about desserts?
In desserts, she
Is there something that's special that your community people make?
We make firni. We make ghas ka halwa.
So do you generally enjoy food? Are you a big foodie?
Yes, I enjoy food. This food is very good. It's excellent.
Well, I'm really glad that Mr. Javed is enjoying his meal. You know, I also discovered that Mr. Javed, his lovely wife, and his 2 sons also answer the questions that I ask on my movie review show, The Big Pick. They love Discover Tamil Nadu and enjoy keys and conversations too. Well, that's a lot of TV.
I don't see a lot of TV, but I see NDTV Hindu because its programs are very good. They're contemporary, presented very stylishly, and they're very elegant.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I can't wait to share this feedback with my wonderful NDTV Hindu team. Looks like someone else can't wait. I see the mukh pachon and the grilled salmon swimming into view.
I think what we had, the scallops, shrimps, prawns and lobster, I think that was very filling. I don't know whether we need a second dish.
No, but what we tasted now was an Indian preparation, both mine and yours. I think we should try the Thai as well as the continental because I think it'll sort of help us deliver our final verdict on this place.
So in case we have ordered it, let's try
You
it.
ordered it, in
Yeah,
fact.
thank you. Then let's try it.
Okay, let's do that. Yeah.
In this festival, other than Indian cooking or Indian preparation, we have a Thai cuisine cooking as well. For example, mukh pachan is a Thailand cuisine food. Everybody likes it. Especially Thailand, it comes from Thailand cooking. Actually, mukh pachan in the meaning is fish is cooked in banana leaves. Thai cooking is famous for cook the fish in banana leaves. So we are cooking the black. We are marinating the black pomfret fish in fish sauce, assorted chilies and salt and pepper, and then we marinate for some time, and then we grill it, and then we cover it with the banana leaves, then we steam it. So basically we are cooking the fish in banana leaves. That is what is famous Thailand food, and we are doing a perfect cooking, then the taste is good.
Mr. Javed was by now full to his gills, but the polite gentleman that he is, he picked away at the delicious black pomfret basted with Thai spices while I feasted on my grilled and baked salmon, all pink and tender, served with a sweet salsa.
So you don't eat much seafood at home, do you?
No, I don't eat so much of seafood at home.
Is there a reason?
Because you get a limited number of fish in the bazaar.
Really? Because whenever I eat in my friends' homes, I mean, I've eaten the shankara quite a bit.
So you get the shankara, you get the aila, you get the matti, and you get probably the kodava. These are the only fishes that are available in the market. But you don't get the lobster, you don't get such good prawns.
Which I think was very nice here,
Yeah.
right? And I suppose you know best because I'm actually a vegetarian at home. So I really wouldn't know, yeah.
Excellent food, a tasteful ambience, friendly and charming service, engrossing conversation, and so many discoveries. Mr. Javed's brother is Amin Merchant, the author of Silent Raga, and also the fact that Mr. Javed delves deep into subjects that interest him. He is such a discerning, well-read, erudite, patient, unassuming, and tolerant gentleman, and such a wonderful conversationalist. We must ply him with some dessert. a chocolate mousse with praline nuts, which I'm sure he'll enjoy in its silky smoothness, while I taste some of this rich choux pastry with fresh cream and banana.
So, sir, now that you've been a guest on Feeding Frenzy, are you going to become an expert on food as well?
No, no, I won't.
I'm sure you will, because I think anything you touch, you want to become an expert on that.
Maybe that's true. Maybe. So if that kind of an opportunity comes, maybe another couple of episodes, and maybe I might.
We look forward to taking you out for a meal next time. All you have to do is answer the following question. Which of the following vegetables is least nutritious when eaten raw? A. Cucumber, B. Tomato, C. Spinach. Send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com, and if you get lucky, you could be going out with one of us for a meal.